In this video, I'm going to show you how to unblock someone on Facebook. But before we get started, make sure to follow and subscribe to iOS Droids. With that being said, let's begin. The very first step is to open Facebook app on your smartphone. At the bottom right corner, click on Menu, click on Settings and Privacy. Again, click on Settings. Scroll down. Under Audience and Visibility, you can see an option of blocking. I hope you are able to see this. Just click on Blocking. So these are the list of blocked contacts on your Facebook account. So click on Unblock and you will be able to unblock them. So this is how you unblock someone on Facebook. So that's it about the video, guys. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this.